always, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today is something always nice and cool, el bacio. I'm going to make carbonara pasta with guanciale and courgette, but I'm gonna use a different technique. It's a different way to make carbonara. I'm gonna show you what we need. Always the same stuff. This is 100 grams of Pecorino Romano. I'm gonna use salt and pepper, some guanciale, how much you like, 2 egg yolks, courgette, garlic powder, and some butter I'm gonna need, okay? My pan is already on. A little touch of oil, but just a little touch because the guanciale is quite fatty, and put some inside. Start cooking. When we make this nice and crispy, the portion I'm gonna use now, that I'm going to make, it's just one portion. I'm gonna make just a video basically. And always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel, and check our website cookingwithanitalia.com. This one now, make crispy around 5-6 minutes, and I'm gonna show you the next step. Okay guys, the guanciale is done. Put somewhere with, gonna dry a little bit. The job is almost done, guys. Now in the same pan we add a little bit of oil again. We add this courgette. In the courgette we put some pepper, a touch of salt, a little bit of garlic powder, and we cook in this on just. It's gonna be very nice, crunchy, just around a couple minutes. Okay guys, this is gonna be nice and crunchy. I turn it off now. I add a touch of butter, the guanciale. I mix everything with butter. We're gonna make that a little creamy stuff, you see, like that. Leave to melt the butter in. I'm prepared the water for the pasta. I'm gonna use some spaghetti, but you can use any pasta you like. Okay guys, the butter is melt, the water start boiling. Put some salt, how much you like, spaghetti in, yolk in the cheese. Try to mix. Gonna give the creamy stuff to the pasta, okay? We're gonna save, very important, some water from the cooking pasta. Okay guys, the pasta is almost ready, al dente. Some water inside here. We add the yolk and the cheese. Gonna start melt. Just go inside. Water or make that sauce and cream. Turn it off and try to melt everything. Oh yeah, creamy. Well, it's fantastic, right? Yeah? And you know what? I cannot wait to try it. Guys, it's absolutely delicious. A different way to make carbonara. This is my carbonara with courgette, guanciale, usually the ingredient, but it's the way I melt the cheese and the egg yolk. Guys, always, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!